Rise of the Forest. There was once a village hidden between the ribs of a great forest. No maps marked it, no roads led to it, only those who needed it ever found it. And every woman who entered the village was gifted a pair of earrings made from tiger's eye stone, wrapped in silver, kissed by flowers. They were not given for beauty, but for truth, because the forest had a rule: you may not lie to yourself beneath these trees. A girl came one day, worn and wandering. She had given too much, too fast, for too long. People called her strong, but only when it suited them. When the elder fastened the earrings to her ears, the forest grew very still. Even the birds listened. She didn't feel powerful. She felt seen. The tiger's eye hummed against her skin. You are more than what others take from you. And for the first time, she didn't flinch. She walked the forest trails for days, wearing the earrings like quiet armor. No monsters came, only memories and clarity. She began to hear her own voice again. Not loud, not dramatic, but certain, like stone warmed in the sun. When she left the forest, she didn't take the earrings off, not because she feared forgetting, but because she finally remembered who she was, who she never stopped being. Legend says those earrings now appear when someone is close to breaking. But instead of snapping, they finally see, and when they do, they rise. Long after the girl left the forest, the earrings vanished again, as they always do when they know their time has passed. They reappeared far away, in a town choked with soot and the clang of iron. There, a blacksmith's daughter worked in silence, not because she was shy, but because in a town full of fire, no one valued the quiet warmth she carried. She was strong, yes, but in a different way. She didn't strike with hammers. She healed broken blades. She mended edges without making noise, but no one saw that as strength. Until one day, while sweeping the shop floor, her broom caught something nestled beneath an old anvil. 2 silver-wired earrings, gleaming like honey in candlelight, each stone flickering like a watchful eye. She reached for them. They were warm. That night, she wore them beneath her scarf, and as the moonlight kissed the stone, she dreamt of a forest she had never walked, a girl she had never met, and a whisper that wasn't hers. You are not here to burn like others. You are here to hold the flame steady. The next morning, she did not ask permission. She hung her own sign outside the forge. Restoration, not destruction. Some scoffed, but the quiet ones came, and the broken things came with them. And the earrings? They stayed until they knew her hands no longer trembled, until her softness became her signature. Then one morning, they were gone. Waiting again for the next soul who needed to remember that being unshaken is its own kind of fire. Next chapter, the window above the train station. In a city that never stopped moving, there was a girl who never stopped pretending. She was a name on too many lists, a smile in too many meetings, a ghost in her own mirror. She lived alone in a small apartment above the train station, where the walls shook with every passing locomotive, and her thoughts blurred with the timetables. Until one rainy night, when the street below was washed in neon and sorrow, she came home to find something glinting on her windowsill. Wrapped in a torn envelope, sealed with wax, shaped like a leaf, she opened it with trembling fingers. Inside, a pair of earrings. Warmed by silver, rooted in stone, as if they had traveled miles just to find her. She put them on. The world for once did not ask her for anything. In the quiet hum of the city lights, the earrings whispered, "You are not a machine. You do not have to perform your pain." That night, she sat by the window and didn't check her phone. She just breathed. And for the first time in years, she cried, not from sadness, but from relief. Over the next few days, she started writing again. Not for deadlines, not for approval, just for herself. She wrote stories about girls with stone in their hearts and stars on their fingers, about strength that doesn't shout, it stays. And one day, in a brown envelope left behind on a park bench, the earrings disappeared again. Some say they left when her words became her shield. Others say they found their next path through her stories. But the truth? The tiger's eye earrings never truly leave. They wait until the next soul forgets that stillness is power, and that you do not have to shatter to be seen. Enter text.